right, YouTubes, we're gonna head out. New customer for me. We're gonna take a look at, she said it's a dessert case. And there's also some little bar freezer she said hasn't worked in 2 or 3 months. So let's go out here and take a look at it, see if we can come up with anything. See what we get into. All right, we're almost there. All right, Refrigeration.
It's like normally cooked rice. Yeah. Correct. And again, man, like,
So,
hang out
OEM compressor.
Just because people are going to be coming in and out, you know. Yeah. Hello.
Right, take the doors off. All right.
And we'll be right with you.
I'm just confirming my fans. Nothing to it, really.
Same bag as it is? You got them?
Sounds like the fan blade is loose. Sounds like the fan blade's loose.
One ice, no, one no ice.
2, 3 with ice.
3 with ice.
Absolute junker unit. The doors on that thing are hammered to the max.
You see 3 colors, awesome.
You get that thing working?
Going to.
Going to?
Yeah. All the plastic around the doors are broken. Major air gaps. So you can see the water that's in the condensate tray is telling me that thing's been down for days. That's how iced up the coil was. Because the air infiltration from around the doors. I wanted to keep the camera down while I was walking by so I didn't film people. And it's low on charge. So we got the noisy fan motor part fixed. Let's get it gassed up and then see what it looks like. Then we can give it a sniff. $134A special. That's looking better.
Hello. So I've had someone on hold. I'll be right with you guys. Okay.
Okay, the display case is fixed. Now we're working on this freezer. It's R290. Let's check it out. I got the 3 screws out, and they're all, hey, the other guy's got parts for it or something. When I pull this down, what do you guys see? There's nothing red on it. Schrader's. I'm not touching this thing. You guys knew this was coming down the pipe, right? So with R290, we're not supposed to leave Schrader's. Somebody did. So I guess that's my get out of jail free card. I'm not playing with this one. I'm not gonna touch it. This place is epic. Now I'm in the back storeroom. That fridge there is at 60. This little freezer has got a bad evaporator fan motor. Wait for it. Let it get going. It'll start growling. It'll start growling. Let's see, I think I got that motor on the truck. This guy's not happy. What do we got up here? Well, thermostat's good. Thermostat's good. Coil's not iced up. What's this one? 17 ounces, 134A. Oh yeah. We'll let that equalize for a minute. We'll get this bottom cover off so we could access the compressor. And we'll see if this one's low on charge. How'd that one song go? Dead giveaway, dead giveaway. Okay, watch this. I'm looking for the taps. Dead giveaway. See the bullet valves? This unit's got leaks and it's been gas and goed. I might as well join the club. It's a dead giveaway. All right, I pulled the condensing unit out. I got gauged up on it. Let's go ahead and turn the stat on and see where we go. This unit's from 2003. I mean, it's pretty old. Original compressor. Yep, low on charge. Pretty obvious. Oh, that's looking better. That's looking a lot better now. Oh yeah. Give it a minute here and we'll check our temps coming down. All right, for all the new guys watching, this is usually how it goes. You get out to these restaurants and you're just working on old turds. And, you know, especially now with the situation we're in with the pandemic, or even before the pandemic, you're all you can do is offer up what's wrong, and they're going to fix what they can afford to fix. This unit, if we go get the leak detector, probably the evaporator coil leaks here. The display case is hammered out there. The doors don't seal. All the plastic for the doors that hold those doors on that display case out there is shot. It was low on charge, so the coil on that one leaks too. This one probably has a leaky coil. This one here needs an evaporator fan motor, and I'm not gonna change it out until I talk to him. But it was growling. And then of course you saw that freezer. I could take on that freezer if they'd let me take it home. I'd take it to my house and fix it proper with the pinch off tool and all the baloney. But that'd be a whole nother separate service call. For today, I'm not going to touch it. And that's about it, really. This one's coming around now. Gas and Go special. A couple of ounces in here, a couple ounces out there. And let's see how that goes. All right. So, any new guys out there, that's usually how it goes. You work on a bunch of old equipment, and usually on like the kitchen equipment like that, whether it doesn't matter what brand it is, you get usually past 5 or 7 years, and you're usually going to have evaporator coils that leak. If you can get 10 years out of a compressor, you probably did good. But that's usually how it is. You know, a bunch of gas and goes writing up quotes, and depending on how big or small the leak is, usually depends on if they repair the equipment or replace it. I think in this climate right now, you just got to try and get them by. I mean, they're barely making payroll and the rent, so you just got to try and help them squeeze by is about it, really. All right, do me a big favor, hit that like button, smash the subscribe, and if you want to, hit the bell and get notifications for when my next videos come up.